viewers, and welcome back to the channel, PJ Ground Pounder. I finally got my Harley suit back in from Harley Davidson. I exchanged it and tried to get a new one for the last year and a half now, but they finally came through. And so here's a little preview. I will be comparing these suits in the near future. But this is just a look at the newer suit without the pants. I'm still waiting on the pants. So enjoy the little short clip and get prepared for a total comparison. Thank you for watching. So my new Harley suit came in today. I've been waiting on this thing for almost a year and a half now. Just a bunch of stuff happened in the process of them getting it out. But anyway, it looks like they stepped their game up on the liner. The fingers have a little special thing to it in the gloves. On the tips, it's kind of hard to see in the camera, but on these tips, look like they got heating elements in here. Just feels a lot better glove here. The heated socks, I never really tried these before, haven't been a big fan. But we'll give them a go and see how they work. The jacket, I fell in love with that new design. You know, this kind of downish looking stuff here. Got a lot of heat and elements in here. So the pants are still on the way. They're supposed to be here in the next couple of days or so. I also have the hot wire suit. We'll be trying that out and comparing the two. But hopefully I'll get the right kind of weather to where I can actually try this stuff out. So I'll probably just have to go north as I can and see if we could take it down and see what it feel like in 20 degrees and stuff like that. But anyway, we'll be sharing that video with you shortly. We'll probably be getting on the road here shortly and going into some cold weather. And I'll wear one suit and then I'll take it off and try on the other one and see which one does the best. So it'll be, I believe it's hot wire versus Harley. And hopefully the pants will be in before I get out of here. So stay tuned. Okay, so with hot wire, this suit is complete. Thanks to HP out there in Illinois. Appreciate it. This suit is complete. The jacket here, a little different texture here. So we'll see the difference. That'll be a comparison and which one keeps you the warmest without any heat and with heat. And then the pants. We'll go into detail. When I do compare them, I'll put out a video on detail exactly which one is doing what. What's the difference between the two as far as functionality. I kind of like the Harley came with the liner, but this here has the buttons, which I'm used to from my first ever Harley suit, which was worn on the outside. And I just like this a lot better. You have this function here. And then also on the jacket, you have that function, same button. And on the pants, you got the same situation going on. With Harley, you have the heated socks. With hot wire, you have the heated insole. So we'll see how that works. I think this is going to be more of a comfort comparison because I don't know what this will feel like once it's in my shoe, in my boot, versus just putting on that nice sock. Like I told you guys earlier, I'm not really a sock fan, but we'll see how that all works out. But this is just a little heads up on a comparison I'm going to do, but I just got this stuff in. So I'll be giving it a try here shortly. And as you all know, I'll walk over here. You know, this is all done, put up under my FXRG waterproof gear. So I'll have my liners, but they'll be being tested under the Harley FXRG riding gear. All right, stay tuned. Just a heads up.
For tips, motivation, or just inspiration, subscribe to my channel, PJ Ground Pounders. Let's get prepared and ride.